We only have one country. Just this morning, I received 4 different calls from some professionals all planning on leaving the country to seek opportunities in other countries. Sanabda mashoko tuna kuti aiwa ari nelsonchamisa weva chuinaita aiwa nyika yedu sagara nyika yeZimbabwe achiti aiwa tingori nenyika imwe chete vakomana zvese zviri kuitika munyika ino panguva ino it will come to pass. Zvapera nobva subscribe like or on the bell icon. Tipina pana papaendo pake anobuda ine update amanyora chiti my daily agony is waking up every day to the left nightmare of receiving yet another call from a fellow Zimbabwean desperate to leave the country, searching for what is believed to be greener pastures. There is a story I have experienced repeatedly for the past 20 years. Often, these calls are not just conversations, they are pleas for assistance, requests for guidance on finding a way to exit and escape to a perceived better life in the future. Zimbabwe has consistently exported and lost here most valuable and strategic resources, the young, skilled, and highly educated professionals. This is plainly heartbreaking. Leadership is the missing link. Those in leadership have let the people down. By leadership, I mean everyone within the ecosystem of governance and influence. Any serious leadership would not allow this more egging on continue untamed or unchecked. We cannot continue with a situation where all of us as a people are perennially preoccupied with finding a way out of our own country. I'm yet to see a nation that thrives when the bulk of its best minds are outside it. It can't. This must stop. It will take all of us a collective effort to win Zimbabwe for transformation and prosperity and end this nightmare. What has been your experience in this regard? Tomashkamdata kwana ari nelsonchamisa chiti aiwa zvinotomurwadza. He is also pained achina kuti Zimbabwe is losing its talents pamwechete nevanhu vane skills vanotsvaka magreener pastures. Zvinoda kwe leadership iripo panguva ino and see to create a conducive environment for everyone. Tomashkamdata panapa na ari nelsonchamisa on this Friday atara mashwa chiti we only have one country we have to save. Pinango section medu kutiza mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.